The Aam Aadmi Party releasing its first list for the elections. This even as the AAP has been in talks with the Congress, remember, for a tie-up last couple of days. Our reporters have been bringing you how negotiations are underway, how the Congress is offering 5 to 6 to 7 seats perhaps to the Aam Aadmi Party. But now the AAP going ahead and releasing a list of 20 candidates for the Haryana election. Let's go across to Gurpreet now for more on this story. And Gurpreet, the AAP really, it's like a chess game, making its one big move there, announcing a list of 20 candidates, perhaps to make sure the Congress does come to the table in terms of the tie-up and finalize.
Well, that is the scene which we can understand and read in between the lines. We have seen that 20 candidates have been announced by Aam Aadmi Party. What we have learned in the early morning, there was some development because one of the leaders from Aam Aadmi Party has just joined the BJP, and after that it seems there was a lot of pressure which was mounted by the Aam Aadmi Party workers as well as the leaders who are working in the various constituencies of Vidhan Sabha, so that they should not drift their vote bank to another party. So that could be possible reasons why 20 candidates have already been declared. And of course, we have seen for the last so many days, multiple meetings are being held between the Congress and Aam Aadmi Party to discuss about the political strategy. And what we can understand, for the ticket sharing, there was a debate which was going on between Congress and Aam Aadmi Party. And one side, what we have learned from inside sources, around 10 seats they were demanding from the Congress, but Congress was not willing to give it. We have seen so many times the former Chief Minister of Haryana, Bhupinder Singh Hooda, had given such a type of statement saying that they are independently going to contest the election. There will be no alliance which will be forged during the Vidhan Sabha polls. And we have seen even the Aam Aadmi Party, they held a press conference where they are declared they are going to contest from 90 Vidhan Sabha from various Vidhan Sabha of Haryana. So as of now, this 20 candidates which have already been declared by Aam Aadmi Party, we can understand the 2 points. One point, there was a tremendous pressure from Aam Aadmi Party workers and the leaders who are working for the party for the last so many years to just establish themselves as a Aam Aadmi Party leader, and it seems they are mounting a pressure on Aam Aadmi Party. And second, what we can understand, this negotiation which was already underway between Aam Aadmi Party and Congress, that should be fastened immediately if these 20 candidates have already been declared. So let's wait for the final outcome, and once the leaders are going to officially speak on this issue, whether they are going to forge any alliance with the Congress or not. But as of now, it seems there are the 2 points which Aam Aadmi Party want to counter at this point of time. That could be possible reasons why these candidates have already been declared. If we can talk about the candidate list, we have seen Anurag Danda, who was leading in Haryana. He is going to contest from Kalyat, and one Pawan Fauji, he is the important candidate from Aam Aadmi Party list, who is going to contest against Dushyant Chautala and Barinder Singh. Those who are going to contest, Barinder Singh is going to contest from Congress, and Dushyant Chautala is going to contest from JJP, and this Pawan Fauji, who has been pitted by Aam Aadmi Party from that constituency. So let's see what will be the political strategy and how it is going to be unfolded. But as of now, this what we are telling to our viewers, 20 candidates from Aam Aadmi Party have already been declared. So let's see that how the Aam Aadmi Party is going to make an announcement officially, and what type of alliance or something which is going on between Aam Aadmi Party or Congress Party, how they are going to brief about this thing. Back to studio.
Right, Gurpreet. Now, we do know Raghav Chadha was leading the negotiations as far as AAP, from the AAP side with the Congress over the seat sharing and what one had heard. If you could tell us more about what one was hearing throughout. It was stuck at 5 to 6 seats, and Congress also telling them take it or leave it.
Well, as I already told you, the top leadership of Congress and Aam Aadmi Party, who were working in the state cadre, they had already refused to forge any alliance. But what we can understand, the central leadership, whether it's the central leadership from Aam Aadmi Party or the central leadership of Congress, they were interested to forge this alliance between both the party for the Vidhan Sabha polls. We have seen multiple meetings were being held, and what we have learned that this negotiation which was going on, that is stuck at one point. One side, the Aam Aadmi Party, they have been demanding around 10 to 15 seats from the Congress. On the other hand, what we have learned, the state leadership of the Congress, they are not willing to give, because they feel there will be more wells who have been preparing for the last more than 5 years in their constituency, and that will be damaging for the Congress cadre. We have seen even during the Lok Sabha polls, they had already forged the alliance, and Aam Aadmi Party was not able to even open the account. They were contesting from one seat from Kurukshetra, but they were not able to win that seat from there. So what we can understand, Kurukshetra Lok Sabha seats, that falls in the Lok Sabha seats of Kurukshetra in Vidhan Sabha, that seats the Aam Aadmi Party was demanding, but somewhere down the lane, the top leadership of the Congress, they were reluctant to give the tickets. They are ready to give five seats to Aam Aadmi Party if they are really keen to forge this alliance. So that type of discussion is already going on, and that is what we can understand. That is not interest of the state leadership, but that is the interest of the central leadership. This list which has just come from Aam Aadmi Party, that is also what we can learn and what we can understand. In the morning, we have seen one of the leaders, he had joined from Aam Aadmi Party to BJP. Immediately after that, the workers from the various quarters of Vidhan Sabha, they started mounting a lot of pressure. So let's see how the political strategy are going to be made by both the party, Aam Aadmi Party or the Congress, because they have declared 20 and Congress had declared 41 candidates so far. So there is still room to go
Right.
for the negotiation and for any alliance. Back to studio.